Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Indigo promo codes in 2025. For that, you just have to simply open your web browser and search for Indigo promo codes 2025. After searching for this query, you will be able to see a bunch of different websites like this one that is giving you around 50% off on Indigo flights. You can even just scroll down a bit and you can get 15% instant discount on flight bookings, and it is from the official website of Indigo. You can just scroll down a bit and you can open the links of the website in a new tab in order to find or take a look at the promo codes that they are providing. So for this video, I've opened this website, that is desidime.com. So here you can just scroll down and take a look at the offers that they are providing. You can see that it is verified, so you can just click on any of the promo codes in which you are interested. Let's say I'm interested in this one, in which I can get flat 1000 rupees off on international flight. So click on the get coupon option and it will redirect you on this page where it will show you the coupon code, which you can copy by clicking on the copy button. So here you can just click on the Indigo, so it will redirect you on the official website of Indigo, where you just have to book your flights, and at the time of checkout you need to use this promo code in order to get flat 1000 rupees off. Similarly, you can even come to this page that is from the official website of Indigo. It is basically the sales page of theirs, where you can take a look at the categories, and here you can get the 15% instant discount, and the maximum discount that you can grab is of 1000 rupees, and the minimum order value should be 5000. So you can take a look at this table and check your eligibility over here. I will also try to put the link of it down in the description, but if I am not able to do that, you can just come to goindigo.in/sale.html. You can type this URL and you can take a look at this discount details. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.